Hi guys, Shane again on Wednesday, 24th November. It's about lunchtime now. Okay, this is one of my weekly updates, but I'm seeing more things happening in the market, so I will do this more regularly, almost every day now. Um, so those on my Discord channel, thank you so much for joining. I appreciate your support. All right, guys, what are we looking at? I'm going to look at Ethereum. I'm going to do a bit of a deep dive here, just to quickly see where we actually are. I'm looking at the daily at the moment. So at the moment, remember, we are still looking at this 1, 2, 3, and that's a WXY where we had a nice entry levels down there back in the day when I shared my charts on Facebook. And since then, we've made 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 move up for that move. So we think and we hope that this is a major 1, and now this is a major wave 2, which means moon. Okay, so that is what we're all hoping for. A couple of things worry me. If I look at this, let's just do a quick retrace on our. Let's just see where we are. Start here, go up to there. My retracement is not that deep. We only went, you know what I mean, to the last 4,000, whatever it was. 38 should have been at least a minimum, especially for wave 2. Wave 2s are normally quite deep. Now, even if we look at only the last impulse up, okay, so we take this 5 up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it has only touched the 38%. A very shallow retracement for a wave 2. So that is a bit of worry. So yeah, I would prefer 50 to 61%. Yeah, let's just see how this will play out. So I'm worried about that. At the moment, I do have 2 lines on my chart. I have a red one and a green one. So the green one is my bullish scenario, and my red one is my bearish scenario. Because right now we're at that junction where it needs to decide if it wants to go up or if it wants to do a bigger correction before we move up again. So let's deep dive into wave 4, 4-hour charts, and let's have a closer look. All right, so entered here. I made a quick long trade there again on Ethereum. My Bitcoin one got stopped out because the Bitcoin one spiked lower and then turned up again. So if I just clean this up a bit, I've got my error here from yesterday. Let me just take it away, because I was showing in my Discord channel where we went up to there, we're going to retrace and then hopefully carry on up. Okay, so there's a 1-hour chart there, we can see it clearly. So let me just get rid of that now, because that is sort of playing out at the moment. If I look at this one, well, let me go back to 4 hours, sorry. Okay, so what are we looking at? So this is our big move up, assuming this is the 5 up and down for a big major 1. Where I have 2 scenarios that are possible. We've got this move down, which could be the A, and I'm looking at this 3-wave structure for a B, and then I'm thinking we should have another C to down here somewhere before we can actually turn up. Now, this ABC structure could also be, if this is the one finished, remember I said this could be the major 2, which I doubt it, but if it is, then this would be our 1, our 2, and then I start over the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will do a bit of that, and then let's keep going up. Only if I see that will I change my bias to a new low before we go up. So at the moment, yes, I'm holding my bias. I will look at the price action of the candles when we get to this level. If it gives me a pin bar and a body closing below, I will close my longs and I'll change it to short positions, and I'll write the short all the way down to there. And from there, I will look at the buy opportunities again. So this is how we trade, okay, all day long, day traders. Now, what I want to point out, if this is the correction done and we go up now, that'll be really bullish. If we get this as an A, that's our B, and I'm getting this C, that's very nice entry levels and nice and bullish. What if this is not the A, B, C, but the start of a 1, a 2, 3, 4, 5, then it's very bearish. So that is a bit of a worry at the moment. Everything's looking very bearish at the moment. So if I look at this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, that could be my wave 1 or my wave A. So I've got both lines there at the moment, A or 1, because it hasn't decided if it wants to show me if it's going to be ABC or a major down move. So at the moment I'm watching to get to the top here, and I will close my buys and I'll be looking at shorting positions, and then we'll play it from there. So I've got my 2 arrows here. I'll leave it on the chart from last week. I just want to remind myself I could bounce there or I could break through. Of course, if this goes up and breaks this B block here, then this would be your scenario up there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5 bullish move. But if this happens, it's okay. If it doesn't, I'll wait for the next low and try again. Now, if I go to the 1 hour, what we should see playing out is the following. Why is this not going down? Okay. I've got my move down for A. At typically, we get a A, B, C zigzag to this area for another 5 waves down for our wave C. This has to break that level there. Let me just zoom in a bit. At the moment, this is still, let me make this a little bit smaller. This is still doing a 1, 2, 3, 4. There's our 5. So that's our A, our B, and our C going up. There's the top of my wave 1. Wave 4 has not retraced to touch wave 1, so it's still very valid. So I'm looking and hoping that this will get there so I can get a higher profit. But the more I look at this, this could also drag out, guys, because remember, this could also be a triangle. So if I do not get my new high today above this level like that, then this could be a triangle. So then we'll have an A, a B, all in 3 waves, C, D, E, and then the drop to this level, and then we can also call it an A, B, and a C. The B won't be up here, but it'll be down here. All right, that's the only difference. B is a zigzag for higher move. B is just a triangle, just a sideways move, and then we hit our C down here, which we'll look for buy opportunities. So yeah, right now I'm looking to see will it break this level and give me my profits I want up there, and then I'll relook at the situation. If I get a top here and it gives me a nice shorting position, I will take it down to the bottom. We will have to wait and see what it does down there. Okay, guys, even Bitcoin is looking very bearish at the moment. Let me just go to the 4 hour. At the moment, my long position is not looking so great as I entered. Let me get in there. Okay, lots of cuts here, sorry, but I've got this situation where I was looking for this to be an expanded flat. So we're looking at this A, B, and I got my C there for my wave 4, then another drop, and then we could go up. Someone in the group pointed out this could also be an expanding diagonal. So if that's the case, I've got my 1, my 2, my 3. So instead of my 4 being over there, it probably could be finished right there. If that's the case, then we're going to have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all overlapping, ending diagonal, and then we'll have our move up. Okay, so ending diagonals are always in the start or end of a wave 1 or wave 5 or wave C. So it's always the end or the start of something. This is at the end of something, so this will give us a nice entry when we get down there for a buy opportunity. That is what it looks like at the moment, guys. So yes, I do see a little bit of bearish things coming up. So I can either go up to there and do it, or I can just go down from here and do it. So my buys down there will probably get taken out at break even, so or I might even close them. Okay, well that's what I got all for you today. And again, if you want to join the Discord group, please email me. Details are below. And yeah, and then we can chat in depth how to trade, when to trade, and how to enter the market. Good luck, guys.